Hello, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to the Intelli-Machines.
Today I am going to tell you that how can you use your mouse scroll bar to zoom in or zoom out in PyCharm.
But before starting this video, if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to this channel because it's only the way you can get notifications of our upcoming videos. And please make sure you watch the entire series in sequence so you can get better understanding of the course. You can use your mouse scroll bar to zoom in or zoom out. To enable this function, click on File menu and here click on Settings, or alternatively you can simply press Alt plus Control plus S. Now here you can see the settings menu. Please click on Editor tab and click on General. Here you can see the mouse section. Please check here the second option and click OK. That's all. Now you can zoom in or zoom out by simply pressing Ctrl key and moving your mouse scroll bar. So that's all for today. If you like this video, then please don't forget to share it with your friends and with your social groups, and don't forget to subscribe our channel if you want to get updates of our new videos.